Evening, 6:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Thursday, October 17th, 2024. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So if you're in the live for about an hour, I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. But we have some breaking news here, so I had to do an update right now immediately following the live. So page 1 of 180. So the United States Courts of Appeals for the Second Circuit Civil Appeal Pre-Argument Statement, Form C. So the SEC filed their complaint as I promised everybody earlier they would. I said, hold your horses. They didn't miss any deadline. Stop with the conjecture and BS. And here's the proof now. They have filed. So the United States, this was filed today, 10/17/2024. It's a 180 pages. We've got right now 4 pages that we can read. So, United States Securities and Exchange Commission, Plaintiff Appellate Cross Appeal, versus Ripple Labs, Inc., Defendant, Bradley Garlinghouse, yada yada, Kristen A. Larson's. So, it was filed. The notice was on 10/2. The date the order of the judgment was appealed was on 8/7 of this year. We can see the attorney, plaintiff, and defendant. So, it says, addendum, counsel must attach this Form 1 a brief but not prefatory description of the nature of the action. 2, the result below. 3, a copy of the notice of appeal and a current copy of the lower court docket sheet. And 4, a copy of all relevant opinions, orders forming the basis for this appeal, including transcripts of orders issued from the bench or in chambers. Addendum B, counsel must attach to this form a list of the issue proposed to be raised on appeal, as well as the applicable appellate standard of review for each proposed issue. Important, complete, and signed, and they put the final decision, U.S. a party. So then we have stage of proceeding, pre-trial, judgment, decision of the court, summary judgment, permanent injunction. The district court ordered Ripple Labs to pay $125 million, yada yada yada. Federal statute, securities. We've got, will appeal raise constitutional issues? No. Will appeal raise a matter of first impression? Yes. Is any matter relative to this appeal still pending below? No. To your knowledge, is there any case presently pending or about to be brought before the court or another court or administrative agency which arises from substantially the same case or controversy as this appeal? Yes. Involves an issue that is substantially similar or related to an issue in this appeal? No. So name of appellant, Ripple Labs, signature, blah blah blah. So once you have filed your notice of appeal, complete this civil appeal pre-argument statement. Form C, serve it up upon all parties and file it with the clerk of the Second Circuit in accordance. Once you have filed your notice of appeal with the district court or the tax court, you have only 14 days in which to complete the following important steps. And number 2, file the Court of Appeals transcript information civil appeal Form D with the clerk of the Second Circuit in accordance with LR 25. Pay the $505 docketing fee to the United States District Court, the $500 docketing fee to the United States Tax Court unless you are authorized to prosecute the appeal without payment. Please note, if you do not comply with these requirements within 14 days, your appeal will be dismissed. And then the last page here that we even can see anything, it just says attorneys for appellant for Form C, Tracy A. Harden, and you guys can read through this. That's for the Securities and Exchange Commission. More for Securities and Exchange Commission. And then you've got attorneys for appellees for Form C, as you know, most of the ones we already know. So that's who's representing. And then you've got a little more representing. So it's going to be a toe-to-toe thing. It has 180 pages, but these are the important pages that we're seeing. So they are, in fact, they went forward with Form C. They've got the appeal filed. No harm, no foul. And now we see what happens tomorrow. Have a blessed day, everybody.